Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you on how to achieve this simple, easy smoky eye with the pop of color. If you like it, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here I am just filling in my brows with an angle liner brush and in brow gel. I have already moisturized and primed my face prior to makeup application. Here I am just cleaning up my brow with a concealer. Be sure when you are cleaning up your brows that you do not use too much concealer or it will get into your brow and make things kind of messy. Also, I'm using my concealer as a eye primer. You can use a primer that's for eyeshadow, or you can just use your concealer. So here I am just applying a transitional color. It is a color that is a couple of shades darker than my natural skin tone. And this color is going to help me blend out my base color evenly. Next, I am going to add a medium dark brown shade all over the lid, and then I'm going to blend it into that transitional color. These will be the only two eyeshadows I use for the entire look. Next, I am going to add my foundation using a brush, and I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender. I almost said booty blender. All products used will be listed below in the description box. Next, I am adding concealer under my eyes, down the ridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and on my forehead. I'm going to also blend this out with my beauty blender. Next, I am using a setting powder to set all of those places that I placed my concealer. So here I am just contouring with a powder that is a few shades lighter than my skin tone. I am going to hit the hollows of my cheeks. Also, I am going to do my forehead, my jawline, and my nose. Next, I am just dusting away all of that powder. I'm going to add my blush next, also my highlight, and then I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. So I decided to smoke out the bottom lash line and add a pop of color. So I know I said only we're going to use 2 shadows in the beginning. Well, I actually use a 3rd shadow. I'm going to use a cobalt blue, well, kind of like an ocean blue, in my inner corner on the bottom lash line. So next I am just dusting away all of that extra powder, and then I'm going to move on to my lips. I am first going to line them, and then I'm going to fill them with a neutral liquid lipstick. Alright guys, I finished my lips and now I am just doing some final touch-ups. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell for any notifications for future uploads and posts. Also, I did not add clear gel and bottom mascara on camera, but I definitely did that off camera along with Set My Face. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.